Hello, good morning friends. So today in the morning I'm going to refit the clutch cable correctly as the Bajaj Authorized Service Center Topsia mechanic fitted it wrongly. You can see the wear is passed through this hinge, not from here. And whenever I'm turning this, okay, you see the cable is getting pinched and it will cut very soon. So I have to open the wire or cable and pass it correctly so that it is not pinched. So I am using these tools, okay, and we'll open it from here after losing this nut and refit it, and after that I will show you how it is done. So for that you have to open that rubber cover and those two nuts, then you have to pass it from here and take it out. And here is my old cable, clutch cable. You can see it is not broken anywhere. So let's carry on. And okay, let me show you the price. This is the price and code number. So friends, now you can see I have refitted it correctly from the right side of the handle bar and taken it out as it is from here. So there is no more chances of getting it pinched here as it was wrongly fitted. Now I can turn the handle freely. Okay, so that's all.